video I will show you how to solve upload media on Snapchat issue solve. So let's open my Snapchat. So first method, you can uninstall your Snapchat and download your old version. So this is very easiest way. So now move on second method. Open your Snapchat, open your profile, then click on setting icon, then scroll down and you have to find option of I spotted a bug. So click on it, then click on friends option. After that, here you have to upload error picture. So then here you have to choose a topic. So let me select my issue. So now here you have to type your error. So now you have to click on submit. So Snapchat team will be contact you and solve your issue. Hope so you like the video.